कॉन्फिडेंस मत जा रही। और एक चलने से पहले, इसके पहले हमारे दोस्त सुभाष भाई घड़ी देखे, क्योंकि आप इंजॉय कर रहे हैं इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूं आपको। भाषा बहुत सारा, ये पॉलिटिक्स की बात नहीं, और भाषा जो है हिंदी भाषा, आप ज्यादातर लोग हिंदी फिल्मों में आ रहे हैं, तो भाषा की पकड़ को रखिए। ये अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी भाषा है, लेकिन ये भाषा को मत समझिए कि सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक हेल्प की भाषा है ये, या कोई इंफिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूं। क्यों भाई, मुझे भी अच्छी अंग्रेजी आती है, मैं भी अच्छी, आपने थोड़ा नमूना देखा भी होगा, मैं अच्छी आती है, बोल सकता हूं, लेकिन जो अपने लोग हैं तो अपनी भाषा में क्यों नहीं। और भाषाएं सब अच्छी होती है, माँ सबकी अच्छी होती है, लेकिन अपनी माँ से बढ़ के और कोई माँ नहीं हो सकती। और भाषा में तीन बातें ये भी समझने की जरूरत है, मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा और विदेशी भाषा। मैं अपने परिवार के तमाम बच्चों को, तमाम लड़के लड़कियों को, तमाम साथियों को कहना चाहूंगा कि मातृभाषा संस्कार के लिए, राष्ट्रभाषा व्यवहार के लिए, और विदेशी भाषा व्यापार के लिए नितांत आवश्यक है। तीनों को लेकर चलो। अपनी भाषा को छोड़ो मत, बल्कि अपनी भाषा पकड़ मजबूत रखोगे आप, तो आपकी फिल्में भी और अच्छे से बनेगी, उसमें भी निखार आएगा। आज के दिन मैं विस्लिंग वुड्स के इस फेलिसिटेशन प्रोग्राम में और आपके वेलफेयर के इस प्रोग्राम में, फेयरवेल के इस प्रोग्राम में, वेलफेयर के इस प्रोग्राम में, आगे बढ़ने, आगे जाने के इस प्रोग्राम में मैं वंस अगेन माई ग्रेटिट्यूड टू माई फ्रेंड, philosopher, at times misguide, most of the times he's a guide, and at times my very dear friend, an institution called Subhash Ghai from Tata Social Sciences, Pasamji, also the great, the genius, the one among, not one among many, but one and the only one, Shyam Benegal ji, जिन्होंने आज तक मुझे मेरे साथ कभी काम नहीं किया है, सही किया, he hasn't missed much, but anyway, it would have my honor and pleasure, certainly उनके लिए बहुत तकलीफ हो जाती, no problem। मैं सबको फिर से विश करता हूँ, long live Whistling Woods, long live all of you, God bless you, thank you very much, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, sir.
I request our President, Ms. Meghna Ghai Puri, and our Dean, Mr. Ravi Gupta, to please join our maestros for a group photograph.
Thank you. Now to introduce our third special guest for the evening, who also happens to be a keynote speaker at this convocation, the Director of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Professor S. Parsuraman. I would like to invite the Dean and Executive Director of Whistling Woods International, Mr. Ravi Gupta, please.
Good evening. We've all seen institution building and what kind of passion, commitment and vision goes behind it. Today I'd like to introduce another such institution builder, and that is Mr. S. Parshuraman, Professor S. Parshuraman. Parshuramanji started his career in Pune University, where he did his MSc in
Professor Ravi Gupta, the Dean, Sri Subhas Ghai, the Chairperson of the Whistling Wood International, Rahul Puri, the Head of Academics, Mr. Chaitanya, actually, we have worked together for so long, Chaitanya ji, Sri Satrughan Sinha ji, Shyam Benegal ji, and my dear friends, and of course my colleague, Professor Neela Dabir, and the graduating students. It's a wonderful opportunity for me to be here. I have been asked to come to Whistling Woods International for many times, but I think there is no better time than the convocation to come in. As you said rightly, the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, as of today, is one of the finest universities in the country. We are the topmost university, and the NAT accreditation, we are 3.89 out of 4. That is the topmost grade one can score. And we are extremely thankful to join hands with Whistling Woods International, India's finest film and media institution. I think together we can build very strong brand, very strong value framework for the future. As I was listening to Satrughan, I could understand Hindi, Marathi now much more better. So I think you are graduating at a time and in a country undergoing tremendous change. This country is in the midst of enormous change. Between 2004, 2005, and 2014 and 2015, the nation grew at about 8 to 9% per annum in terms of growth rate. Did it make any difference to people who are poor and vulnerable? Hardly. Because 77% of the people in India in 2004 and 5 were poor and vulnerable, and it became 78% in 2014-15. What's happening? We are entering into a world with enormous diversity. Rich people are extremely richer, and poor people are getting poorer. How do we create a context whereby this can be reversed? The Tata Institute of Social Sciences is in the business of creating human service professionals.
What we're all gathered here for. To present the students of the class of 2017 their course completion certificates. So before we move on to presenting certificates to the 2017 graduates, we would like to call upon Subhash Bhai sir, Professor Parshuraman, Director of TISS, and Professor Neela Dabir, Dean of TISS SVE, to present degrees to the students of the TISS BBA class of 2016. These students are the first graduates of the TISS Whistling Woods partnership. Since they're the first TISS batch and we have the Director of TISS amongst us, we'd like to give them their degrees. Aditi Bhalla, absentia. Aditi Tyagi, absentia. Apurva Kashyap, absentia. Aishwarya Verma, absentia. Dilpreet Kaur Sahans, absentia. Leah Rena Gomes. Nihal Vasudevan, absentia.
Parshadi Jaswani, absentia. Pawan Kataria. Piyush Lulla. Pratiksha Thakras, absentia. Puneet Ahuja. Shiv Tejas M. Vasundhara Bhadoria, absentia. Next, I would like to call Yash Kanodia, who is the second best and silver medal winner student of the batch, but he couldn't join us. So I'd like to call upon Ayushi Maheshwari, who is the best and the gold medal winning student of the batch. All the students to please come up on stage for the group photograph.
अरे भाई उसका दुकान है, रहने दो ना। दुकान क्या है? दुकान क्या है? कल लेने दो उसको, तो भाग जाए।
Kangsha Agarwal. Anisha Singh. Apurva Arun. Jayant Sharma. Mohammad Khalid P. Mridul Vij. Rahul Mandal. Sumit Mishra. Vishwesh Taskar.
We now have students from the Westingwood School of Filmmaking. We begin with the Actors Studio.
Ankur Goyal. Devika Jana. Hiren Rathod. Prabhujit Ashtangi. Pradeep Kumar Bajpai. Ravi Teja. Aditya Kothari. Hitesh Arora, Mitesh Mahadevan, Anmol Bakaya. Sir, please kindly join us, sir. Next, we move on to the cinematography specialization.
Anand Bansal. Robin George Thomas. Samabesh Das. Chakravarti, Siddharth Sharma, Sifat Farhan Niloy, Vishal Tanna, Chehet Bilji, Karan Gurbaksani, Rohit Balecha, Swapna Gupta, Trevin Meadow, Amey Kale, Akash Chaudhary, Aneri Thakkar, Dave Devhans, Joel Milan, Ketki Suri, Malika Subramanian, Manvi Duggal, Mehka Lutel,
Yes, आप सही। मैं उधर बैठे हो ना अभी तक आपकी बात कर रहे हैं। मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बात नहीं करता हूँ। आप करते हैं।
Well, thank you very much for being with us, and it was a wonderful evening. As usual, every year we hold this convocation, and you know the importance of Muslim Board, the educational philosophy of Muslim Boards, the movement of Muslim Boards, needless to say anything. But the special day today is definitely because of the two legends we have honored Master Awards. One is Mr. Sham Medical, the legendary filmmaker, and my friend and a superstar and legend actor, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. So I know that you would like to talk to him more than me. But this is a very academic moment for the students. That the students are excited to enter into a media industry after graduation, and we are very much sure about this. At least we do not know that how much we grow them, but we know that we grow them as a person, as a human, as a disciplined person. This is the first philosophy we see to it.